This video is for educational purposes only and not financial advice. From small savings to 10 lakhs in 5 years, that's the journey we're about to explore. It's not magic, it's math plus discipline. If you invest 10,000 rupees every month at an average annual return of 12%, you can reach 10 lakhs in 5 years. But here's the important part. To make this journey smoother and more realistic, a step up in your monthly investment is also required. Even a modest 11% annual increase in your SIP amount helps you stay ahead of inflation and accelerates your path to 10 lakhs. I've calculated this using my own website's calculator, and you can visit it to check your own numbers. Whether you start with 2,000 rupees, 5,000 rupees or more. Before you think about growing money, make sure it's protected. Imagine building a house. You wouldn't start with the walls before laying a strong base. Your financial base is 3 things. An emergency fund that covers at least 6 months of your expenses. This is your safety net if you lose a job, face medical bills, or have sudden needs. Health insurance so that one hospital visit doesn't wipe out years of savings. Life insurance to make sure your family is secure even if something happens to you. If you skip this step, one unexpected event can undo all your hard work. That's why safety comes first. It keeps your journey steady and protects your progress. Once your foundation is strong, you can focus on how to start investing even if you don't have 10,000 rupees every month. Not everyone can spare 10,000 rupees each month, and that's perfectly fine. What matters is that you begin. If you never plant the sapling, you'll never enjoy the fruit. Every rupee invested is a step forward, and over time, those steps add up to something powerful. Saying I can't invest keeps you stuck at zero. The truth is, starting is non-negotiable. Even small amounts, 500 rupees, 2,000 rupees or 5,000 rupees are seeds that grow with compounding. The earlier you plant those seeds, the sooner you enjoy the shade and fruit of wealth. Once you've started, the next step is learning how budgeting can unlock hidden money you didn't realize you had. Your budget is a gold mine. If you dig smart, you'll find money to invest every month. After covering your essentials, don't let the leftover amount sit idle. Redirect it into investments. Even small surpluses can make a big difference over time. One powerful trick is to skip alternate wants. For example, if you usually shop or dine out every month, cut it down to every other month. That skipped expense becomes investable money. These small sacrifices, when repeated, add up to thousands over the years. The real secret is strict discipline. A budget only works if you stick to it. When you're firm with your spending plan, you unlock hidden money that steadily pushes you toward your 10 lakh goal. Once you've uncovered surplus through budgeting, the next step is learning how to accelerate your journey by boosting your investments with extras.
If budgeting helped you uncover surplus, imagine how much faster your journey could be with a few extra boosts. Don't just watch. Take part in this challenge with me. Hit like and share if you spotted hidden money in your budget. Drop a comment. What's one expense you'd happily skip to invest instead? Subscribe if you're ready to turn small steps into big milestones. Every interaction you make here is a step toward building a stronger financial community and your own discipline too. With that energy, let's move ahead and see how boosting your investments can accelerate your path to 10 lakhs. Think beyond salary. Small windfalls can speed up your journey to 10 lakhs. Bonuses, incentives, or side hustle income should not be treated as extra spending money. Redirect them into your investments and they become powerful accelerators. Even leave encashments or unexpected profits, when invested instead of spent, add surprising momentum to your financial growth. These small boosts may feel minor in the moment, but over 5 years, they compound into a significant push toward your goal. Every extra rupee invested is like adding fuel to your financial engine, helping you reach 10 lakhs faster than you imagined. But to keep this acceleration steady, you need a driver, and that driver is purpose. Without a clear why, investing feels optional. With purpose, it becomes unstoppable. Defining your purpose, whether it's freedom, buying a home, or funding education, gives your investments meaning. Purpose is what keeps you consistent when markets dip or when temptations to spend arise. It reminds you that every rupee invested is tied to a bigger dream. With purpose guiding your discipline, let's now look at the magic of reaching 10 lakhs and how money begins to work for you. 10 lakhs isn't just a milestone. Even at 10% returns, 10 lakhs generates 1 lakh per year. That's when money starts working for you. Compounding becomes your friend, and wealth creation shifts from effort to momentum. 10 lakhs isn't just a number. It's proof that patience and vision always pay off. Reaching this milestone shows that consistency beats shortcuts. Every month you stayed disciplined, every surplus you redirected, and every sacrifice you made has brought you here. This achievement is more than math. It's your financial story. It reflects the choices you made, the discipline you practiced, and the vision you held on to even when the journey felt slow. Each strict decision, each skipped want, and each extra rupee invested has written this success. Celebrate this discipline because it's the true victory. 10 lakhs is not luck. It's the result of patience, persistence, and purpose. With this milestone achieved, let's close with one powerful reminder that discipline today turns dreams into reality tomorrow.